In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete emails in Outlook. Whether you're tidying up a cluttered inbox or removing messages you no longer need, I'll walk you through the simplest, most reliable ways to delete emails and what happens afterward, so you always know where your messages go. First, open Outlook from your desktop. You can launch it from your taskbar, Start menu, or Applications folder, depending on your operating system. Give the app a moment to load, especially if you haven't opened it in a while. A quick reminder: the layout may vary slightly depending on your version, but the core actions are the same. If you're not already signed in, Outlook will prompt you to log in. Enter your account credentials and let the inbox sync. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you're in the correct mailbox before you start deleting, so the right items are managed. To delete a single email, click once to select the message, then press the Delete key on your keyboard. You'll see the message disappear from your inbox. Don't worry, this doesn't erase it permanently. It's moved out of view and stored safely in a separate folder for a period of time. If you prefer using on-screen controls, look for the Trash or Delete icon. You'll find it in the ribbon at the top of Outlook or within the reading pane when a message is selected. Clicking this icon performs the same action as the Delete key: quick, clear, and consistent. Another quick method is to right-click the email you want to remove and choose Delete from the context menu. This is handy if you're already using your mouse and want to make sure you're targeting the exact message. When you need to delete multiple emails at once, select Arrange by clicking the first email, holding the Shift key, and then clicking the last email in that range. With the group selected, press Delete. This is a fast way to clear out batches of messages while staying in control of what's removed. Everything you delete moves to the Deleted Items or Trash folder. Outlook typically keeps items there for around 30 days before they're permanently removed, though exact timelines can vary based on settings or organizational policies. This buffer gives you a safety net. If you delete something by mistake, you can still find it in that folder for a while. And that's it. You now know the essential ways to delete emails in Outlook and what happens after you do. Keep practicing these methods to keep your inbox lean and easy to manage.